Presenting Theme Guru Kit from wonderLearn. The kit contains hammer and pegs. Hammer the colorful nails on the board. Make different patterns. Choose any overlay sheet and place it on the board. Fill the holes in the overlay sheets by hammering the corresponding color nails. You can also try to hammer the nails in Play-Doh. Cooking set. Put on your chef hat and pretend cooking some scrumptious food with the pot and pan using the turner and spatula. Lacing boards. Practice lacing the various shapes together on the board to make colorful car and aeroplane. Vegetables board. Trace the shapes of the vegetable and replicate the colors with the details like eyes of the potato, layers of the onion, etc. Cook a vegetable curry by cutting the vegetables with the given knife. Kitchen conversation cards. These cards intend to support conversation skills. The cards have around 27 comments or questions on them, and the student has to think about how they could respond.